A utility patent is an important and valuable protection to your innovative idea. A utility patent may be issued to anyone who invents or discovers any new useful process, machine, or item, or any new useful improvement of something that already exists. In order to get a utility patent for your idea, you need to file an application with the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office that includes all the required application elements, and you need to pay the required fees. One of the most important parts of the utility patent application is the detailed description of the invention. The description should be clear and complete, yet concise. Drawings or photographs may also be important depending on the nature of your idea. The application specifications are very exact and require careful review before submitting a utility patent application. You do not want your patent to be denied because of a technicality. For more information about utility patent applications, visit www.uspto.gov/patents.